today's video, guys. Masayang buhay. Nandito tayo sa Stampede. So ngayon guys is Monday.
Laki-laki na kita ng Stampede.
Grabe ang entrance ngayon, guys. Kaya pala kahapon, ang dami nagpunta dahil free admission kahapon.
$20.
So $28 ang entrance ng general, guys. So like 16 or 18 years old to 50 something. Then may senior sila and may kids. Ayan na, tinag ko kayo, ay pinost natin kung magkano yung price sa mga entrance fee. So papasok na tayo, guys. So Monday ngayon, guys. Tinaon namin Monday para hindi ganun ka-crowd. Pero mukhang marami pa rin tao. Shake Shack, Dad! May Shake Shack dito!
Puro ka pagkain eh.
Itayin na natin sila. Kapunta muna tayo doon. Para nakapunta na tayo doon bago sila dumating. Okay, so Daddy, bagong car.
Oo, ganda. Ganda.
So it could be done. He just did it very, very nicely.
GMC.
Very, very impressive.
Nawawa ng bata, guys. Pero may hawak siya.
Go.
Masaya siya kasi may hawak siya.
Parang kumakalas yung mga rides.
Ha?
Parang may kumakalas na rides. May kumakalas na rides.
Aha. No, kahapon, na sobrang lakas ng wind, merong isa na hindi na makabalik, pag gano'n. So yan, nandyan lahat ng kainan, guys. Pero titingin muna kami dito sa BMO Center. Yan, mamaya para tayo bumila dyan. So medyo kalmado ngayon yung mga kainan. Diba, Dad? So tingin tayo sa BMO. Yan, kasi pagka Stampede, may mga... Ay, dito tayo nag-entrance, diba? May mga booth din dito, like yung mga selling, ganun. Hopefully next time makasali na tayo sa meron dito sa loob. Kasi I actually tried to apply pero late na. Kailangan na in 6 months ahead pa lang applied na. Yan, madami pa rin tao dyan, guys. Pero yeah, secured naman ngayon. Wala nang siguro mangyayaring katulad last time. Ay, eto din. Yan siya, oh. So guys, ito yung isa sa mga neighbor ko sa Horizon. Meron siya ditong spot. Ayan, I'm gonna say hi to him. He's our neighbor. So beside our store, he has a boutique as well. So ito yung kanyang spot. Oh, ganda. Hey brother.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Good to see you.
I know. That's why I knew that you're here.
Oh, yeah.
You're quiet there. Oh, maybe he's there.
I know,
Nice to
right?
see you.
Good
I'm
to
just
see
driving
you.
by and
For
then
sure.
say hi.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
You're our neighbor in Horizon Mall. Yes. See? So next time we're all here. Meron isa dito dado tattoo. Ayun na pang tattoo. Asa na yung mga food sa kabila? Let's get, check around pa.
No, I'll get one, but depends what.
Diba, medyo quiet pero kasi anong araw pa lang na. Anong araw pa lang ngayon? Monday. Hanggang Sunday ba to, de?
Ha?
Hanggang Sunday to?
Alin? Ito, oh.
Oo. So, parang 2 weeks, no?
10 days.
10 days. Oh, may mga scrunchies. Ang cute, oh. Ang cute. Tapos meron siyang mga... Oh, ayan, oh. Lahat ng how much? $7 each. So, this is $7 each. Buy 3 for 17. Nag-e-exist din talaga yung mga ganito, no? Kasi yung mga Canadian mahilig talaga sa mga cute stuff. Ay, ang cute! Ang ganda ng bolster! Dado! Magustuhan to nila sa... Ang ganda to sa ano nila, store. No? Ang cute, oh. Like a magazine. Yan, may mga small. Dad, mahilig mo sa shoes. Dapat ganito yung room natin, eh. Let's check here. Ah, Michaels! Nakarating na tayo dyan. Dito tayo sa gitna. So, nakakatuwa, di ba? Parang bazaar like in the Philippines. So, let's go to naman, sa foods. Sa food place naman. So, ito yung mga dry clothing and girl stuff. Mga accessories. Ay, this is Imo. Yeah, meron mga dito, handmade. Oh, that's a cute one. Ito na tayo sa foods. Dahil saan tayo punta?
Pagkainan.
Diyan ka magaling.
Gutom na po si
Uy, ikaw una naghanap. Siyempre, hindi ko pinapalata. So, ayan. Alam nyo guys, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang Stampede dito is every year. And it's always every July. Sometimes first week of the month, sometimes second week. So, this is the first time na maaga siya nangyari. So, first week of the month pa lang, may Stampede na. Usually, I know. Ay, paras kayo. Usually, nasa middle, always middle of the month na nahi-held yung yung Stampede. Pero right now, ngayon lang medyo napaaga. Kaya, akala mo naman may difference, ha? No, laging 10, 15, ganun. Eh, ngayon, no, second week lagi, all the time. Yun, sa mga hindi pa rin nakakapag-follow sa page namin, follow nyo yung aming page at YouTube channel.
Makikita nyo po si Ina sa Global News.
Oo guys, hindi ko alam kung anong itsura ko doon, bahala na. So first time ako nahatak sa interview na gano'n. Not sa first time sa interview. Lagi akong na-interview with Mami Grace. Twice na yan, na-invite tayo. Ayan. Tapos, first time sa Canadian interview.
Global News yun.
Global News, oh my God.
Buong Canada, makikita ka.
Pero ewan ko, siguro meron naman silang filter kasi di bang ingay dun? Sobrang ingay dun.
Lang hindi uso filter doon, kitang-kita yung mukha mo doon.
I know, right?
Frame na frame ka doon.
Grabe, parang may diin yung kaka-frame mo.
Hubog na hubog.
Pang-asar ka. Siya dapat kasi talaga interviewin doon. Eh, sabi niya, no.
Interview nga, so
Gusto nila si daddy. Sabi niya, no. My wife. Tinuro ako. Uy, favorite mo. Eh, alam niyo ba, isa yun sa amats namin. Pretzel. Kaya na tayo pretzel. Favorite namin to guys, Parmesan. So, ayan. So, alam niyo na, sa mga hindi taga-Calgary, mag-visit. Pila ka na di. Wala nang iba, oh. Yeah, sa mga hindi taga-Calgary, iset nyo yung kung gusto nyo ma-experience ang Stampede na cowboy experience, cowboy outfit, and yun nga pa yung festive, maraming festival rides. Mag-join kayo, punta kayo dito sa Calgary. Yeah, dito lang ginaganap yun sa Calgary, guys. So, wala siya sa Edmonton, wala siya sa...
Kaya Calgary Stampede.
Yes. So that's why they call it Calgary Stampede. Kaya mas usually maraming dumadayo, bumubiyahe, nagbabakasyon. And yun nga pala guys, if hindi kayo taga dito, then you have to ano, magstay, mag-travel or mag-hotel. Mahal na, sobrang mahal, no? Sobrang mahal. Yung mga regular usual 200 nagiging 600, 500, 700, more pa even the Airbnb. Napakamahal. Kaya yung iba, and hindi rin pwedeng ahead, too early to advance na magbubook ng hotel. Yan. Kasi yung rate nila is talagang rate for July. Stampede time talaga. Even mga taga-US dumadayo dito, guys. So, yun lang. Order muna kami ng parmesan. Diyan na raw sila sa ano, parking. Sa harap sa lata magpaparking.
Dahil ko saan ka?
Ayan, so guys, nakain muna tayo ng ano lang, yung mild pa lang. Mild pa lang. Kain tayo ng ano, appetizer. Si Daddy kain ng ano. Alam mo, dati nakakain ka pa natin. Terno kayo. Pretzel. So, that's cooked din.
Ito ang pang stampede.
Corn dog. Corn dog. Open mo ako ba? Sarap pa. Ayun tayo ng cheese. Cheese dip. Ito mo dyan.
Sarap naman yung dito ah.
Bago luto eh. Beef dog, ay beef sausage. Sarap na.
Gusto ko naman yung pancit. Tawag pancit dito.
Meron sa ano? Chopstick.
Back in the middle of the Philippines, which is the Visayas, where the chocolate hills were Boracay.
Ayan guys, so sa mga performer is Filipino. Nakakatuwa guys. So they are part of the BMO Center or Stampede Performers Community Stage. Brought to you by BMO. Nakakatuwa marinig yung mga around the Canadian people, yung mga Filipino na perform like this. Next na daw yung piece ni Daddy. Ano nga yung kakatay mo?
Ano bang gusto nyo?
Kakata daw si Daddy. Ayan. Hindi namin makita yung kumare ko. Ayun, nakita ko na. Ayun o, Daddy, ipita mo. Ayan guys, yung ating mga ano. Anong aking kumare? Di ba? Nakakatawa yung Pilipino. Ayun. Ay, sinantay na performance. Stampeder sa stampeder. Minsan lang lumabas sa buhay eh. Ay, kuya! Ay, Diyos ko, ito yung ating mga player ng Calgary. Ha? Laki, di ba? Dati naman lukad na. Sa kumare ko. So yeah, of course, we have the Happy Fish. Dito na tayo sa street store na lagi natin pinupuntahan every year. Ha? And then, for some reason, yung owner is kilala ko pa.
Dito tayo, dito tayo.
Dito na tayo sa pick up. Saka sa Hanki? Sa Hanki, oo. Anong number yan?
76.
76, ayan.
I think so. Yeah. Night market, right?
Number 76 na yan. Tapos sa 74.
I mean, it's worth it though. Yeah.
Yan yung mga ano nila, rapper. Giant Street yung ating giant. Waiting tayo. So magkano ngayon daddy? Kanin? So yung big family giant is $37.
Magkano?
$37. $32 yung medyo regular.
$5?
Yeah.
$5?
$5 daw yan. Siyempre, pag stampede talaga, bawal magdala ng water dito eh. Isa na sila, ayaw daw ito nila, Say hi to them. Yeah, one of our neighbors sa Horizon. So nandito siya. Yeah, she owns this business. And meron din siyang business sa store sa New Horizon na bubble tea. Kaya talaga pag mga business-minded, no? Kung saan sa mga nakikita. Tatagdala pala ako mga panudo dito. Yun. Visitor, ito na ang pinaka-famous na kainan dito guys. Na Giant Street. On stick. Masarap talaga siya. Every year kami pupunta dito, masarap siya. Vinegar.
Let's do the big one.
Big one, okay.
Tignan mo na rin yung ano.
Yeah, that's big. Okay.
How big.
One more
Tignan mo rin yung ano, speed ng
Yan
konti.
eh. Hindi tatanggal yung lutong.
Oh, okay.
Ito pa kaya namin lalagyan?
Ng what?
Ng suka.
Okay. Excuse me. I also have one more of the...
Okay.
Thank you. Red vinegar.
It's about 20-minute wait.
Bye! See you! See you! You have tissue, Dad? Asa na sila? Eh, baka nag-check dito sa iba. Ayan o, yung aming, Diyos ko, mga little boy namin dati guys. Ngayon hindi na, iba na sila. Super tall ni Kuya Zach. They are our babies before. Ang liliit pa nila. Now,
No test, kaki testing muna.
testing. No practice?
No test.
Ayan na si Kuya.
It's okay, go.
Ang laki ng legs ni ano, ni Zach no?
Yeah.
Big boy.
Almost.
Ayan na, si Kuya na. Si Kuya na. Ito ang ano namin, player. Soon to be.
One more.
One more. One more daw. Oh, nakashoot sila. Oh, may nakukuha agad. Almost.
Kinork pa.
We have to bring the bear. Bring the stuffed toy. Go see. Good job, Kuya! See? How about Zaki? One more, see? We'll bring the poo. Go, Kuya! He won it.
Practice kami, walang ring, dapat walang ring.
Oh, galing, Kuya, congrats! See, I told you to bring the bear. What's this? What's this?
Capybara.
Bye-bye. Galing, proud mommy and daddy Kuya. Galing ni Kuya. See? Kaya mo
All
yan.
right, so I'm going to ask you guys some skill test and trivia questions. These are multiple choice. If you think you know the right answer, do not yell it out loud. Yell out the word buzz. Whoever buzzes in first gets to try to get the points. Really easy game. I'll show you how easy it is when we ask the first question. How about this one? Whoops.
Name this
We're not going to ask
song.
that question. We're going to ask. We're going to ask this question. Where does the greatest outdoor show on Earth take place? Is it Montreal, Houston, Toronto, Denver, or Calgary? Marvin buzzed in first. I heard him buzz. He says Calgary. Is Calgary the right answer?
Yeah!
Absolutely it is, meaning you are first on the scoreboard. We got 10 points for the red team. So the blue team is trailing behind. If you buzz in fast, you might be able to get the next one. We're on to question number 2. Let's see what happens. How about this one? Where at Stampede Park can you get yourself an order of Bannock? Where are you going to find Bannock? Is that available at the Big Four Roadhouse, the BMO Center, the GMC Stadium, or the Elbow River Camp? Who's going to buzz in first?
Demo.
Who's going to? You got to say buzz. Who's going to buzz? Buzz. There we go, Marvin. I heard you.
BMO Center.
The BMO Center. Is that where you get Bannock?
Hindi natin. No!
That is
We have
not
a
the correct
chance!
answer. Meaning we're going across the Medell for the steal. What do you think?
Like letter A.
The Big Four Roadhouse.
The Big Four Roadhouse right here. Is that the answer? No, I'm sorry. Where's the overcut? What do you think, Marvin? The GMC Stadium. Is that where you're going to get it? No, it's not. Meaning we're about to Medell, what do you think? Do you want to use the lifeline? Do you have a friend? Are you confident? You have confidence. What is your final answer?
Call a friend.
The Elbow River Camp. Absolutely, that is where you find Bannock. That is, of course, what some people call fry bread. Traditional native dish. It's fantastic with blackberry jam. They'll set you up down at the Elbow River Camp. So that means the Medell is on the scoreboard. We've got 10 points for the red team, 10 points for the blue team. Hey, don't forget the world's tallest game show is brought to you today by your Calgary Stampede. We're moving into the final question to break this tie. Let's see what happens. How about this one? How many times is the average bucking bronco ridden during the 10 days of rodeo action here at the Calgary Stampede? Is it 6 times, 3 times, 1 time, or 5 times? Marvin, buzz in first. 6 times, he says. Is that the right answer? No, it's not. Going back over here to the blue team. What do you think, ladies?
Letter D. 5.
5. They said 5 is the answer. No, it isn't.
Oh my
We're
God.
coming back over this side. 3. He says 3. Letter B. B running 3. Ladies, what do you think?
Of course. Call a friend.
They're going to go with the number 8. Of course they are. That's right. The average bucking Broncos are only winning maybe 1 or 2 of the very best horses might get a second ride, but only if they've had a couple of days off to rest and have been checked out by the vet and all that good stuff.
Okay.
So they do take good care of the horses here, and that means Medell's team gets 20 points, Marvin only has 10, and that means that we've got a winner here at the world's tallest game show. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Medell! You guys are great. Have fun at the Calgary Stampede. Did you get a picture?
Yes, of course.
You got the picture in there. Are you going to be in the picture?
Yeah, dito ka. Picture natin.
Guys, get in it.
Ang cute yan. Parang bata pa rin siya, no? Baby pa siya.
kasi ng rides dito ngayon.
Ito pa rin naman yung dati. Yan yung traditional donut dito. Every stop.
Ilang piraso pa yan?
Ano? Guys, this is the traditional donut.
Donut.
Grabe siya. Donut po, guys. Yan guys, ginabi na tayo. Past ano na? 10. Wala na nga eh, busog na eh. 10:20 na. Ayan, meron dito Filipino food. Dancing hi! Ito, meron tayo dito. Ano gusto mo din?
Ha?
Oh, katbaboy gusto natin siya, di ba?
Or ka sisig, try natin.
Sisig ko. Sisig ko siya.
Tatry natin.
Parang gusto ko.
Ay, gusto mo? Pork adobo?
Ay, no. Kala ko ano, dapat baboy.
Sisig na try natin.
Uy, parang masarap yun.
Hindi nga din daw alam ni Henry. Hindi na rin niya alam
Sisig na lang.
Ikaw tayo, sila, kumori ka na.
Sisig? Oo, sige, oo. Sige. Supportahan natin guys ang ating kapwa Pilipino. Dito tayo sa
Alam mo ba?
spring roll you want.
Gusto ko try yung sisig. Mas madaling lakainin yung sisig eh. Ayun.
Ayan na. Ayan.
Salamat din po.
Thank you po.
Bye.
Ayan. Hi! Ayan. Support tayo sa ating Filipino community. Ayan. Oh, sarap to sisig. Chopsticks. At stampede. Ayan, meron sila dito guys, pwesto. Favorite din namin to sa store nila. And doon naman tayo. Punta natin yun. Thank you! Punta natin. Yung aking kumare gusto ng sushi ng mga kids niya. So, naghahagilap sila ng sisig. Ay, sisig ng sushi. Sushi! Ay, parang masarap yung pizza. Pag sa mga ganitong panahon talaga guys, kahit saan naman masarap, no? Hindi ka naman gutom na gutom, pero kailangan kumain. Ay, lupit ng ano nun, no? Ng vlog yun, no? 3 camera. Nakita mo ba yun, de? Saan subo? Iyo. Saan sila? Ito. Kiss. Ito. Masarap din kasi ang hankies. Ayun, no? Oo.
Daddy, you want medium spicy?
Yan. Hanky. Bago lang din to, no? Dati last year wala silang ganito. Ha? Buksan ko? Ayan yung sushi na ano? Tacos. May tacos dyan.
Isang burger na punta doon.
Oh. Guys, grabe yung ano, uwi lang. What's that?
Ito na yung uwian. Uwian na.
Going to train station.
Sobra yung pila nito.
Bukas pa yan ata pa. Ang tanong, kung ilang oras sila mag-aakapag-sakay.
Sabay-sabay yan eh. Dahil
Guys,
hinihintay lang talaga nila yung fireworks kasi.
Ayan.
Pag yung fireworks kasi talaga, kumbaga after niyan, talaga
Bugsak.
uwi.
Ayun. Ate mo.